Hello, my name is Zachary Prentice, and today I will be demonstrating to you the process of meiosis and mitosis. Alright, and so here is my desk. It's got some drinks over there. There's the pipe cleaners. There's a picture of my wife in the wall right there. Alright. So, to answer the questions, what is the purpose of meiosis and mitosis? So, mitosis is cell regeneration, growth, and asexual reproduction. That's just about it. Meiosis is the production of gametes for sexual reproduction. Alright, and where does mitosis and meiosis occur? Well, mitosis occurs everywhere besides the germ cell, and meiosis is the germ cell. That's where that occurs, the germ cell, which meiosis would be your male sperm and your woman egg. Alright, that would be those. Alright, so let's get started with our demonstrations. So here is mitosis right here. Alright, so first interphase, the chromatin will replicate. Right here we have this. Prophase will be the start of cell division and condensing into visible chromosomes, just like this. Metaphase that will line up at the middle of the cell. This is one cell right here. One cell. Here are chromosomes. Excuse me. Metaphase will line up in the middle of the cell. Anaphase, the spindle fibers here, will pull them apart to opposite sides of the cell. Telophase will be decondensing into two new cells that are identical to the first one we had. And cytokinesis is where the cell actually splits. So we have two cells right here. Alright, so there is mitosis. Here is meiosis. This one's a little bit more complicated, but it's kind of the same thing, really. Let me try to find it. Alright. Here we go. Prophase 1. Membrane disappears. The nuclear membrane disappears. The fibers appear, and the homologous. I don't know how to say that. Homologous. I'm sorry, I can't read that. Chromosomes pair to form tetrads. So here we go. Here are the tetrads like this, and this is where tetrads have the same shape, size, and genetic information. This is where crossing over would take place between the sister chromatids. So you can see here, they will cross over like this. Actually connecting here, like that. Alright. Metaphase 1, the tetrads will line up along this. I already did that. I'm sorry. They're supposed to be like this first. Alright. Metaphase 1, they will line up at the center, just like this. And the spindle fibers will appear on the sides. Here are my fingers. These are the spindle fibers. Will appear on the sides. Alright. Anaphase 1 will pull apart the tetrads to opposite sides of the pole. Telophase 1, this is where these will start pinching together. Can you see this? You see this top one up here. Let me just move this a little bit. These will be pinching together. There you go, maybe you can see that. They'll pinching together to form two separate cells. Here will be one cell, here will be another cell. This isn't too big enough to cover both of them, but I think you get the point. It'll be kind of drawn like this right here. Alright, and cytokinesis will be splitting to where you have two new cells. Alright, at the end of meiosis 1. Alright, Meiosis 2 is almost the same exact thing, it's just splitting it even more. Alright, so your nuclear chromosomes condense, and your fibers reappear. Everything, here's are two new different cells, like this. Two new cells. There, you can see that. Two new cells right here, like this. Alright, and metaphase 1, 2, not 1, metaphase 2, they line up like that, two different cells. Anaphase 2, they will be pulled. Here, let's see this. They'll be pulled apart. Remember, these are two different cells right here. They're being pulled apart. Once again, you can't see this right here. Maybe I can squeeze it in. There we go. Alright, so this is two different cells. Keep that in mind. This is one cell right now, this is the other. And anaphase 2, they got pulled apart. And telophase, guess what's happening? They are pinching again to form 4 cells. So now you're going to have 1. You can see that over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that will be the process of meiosis. There we go. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a good night.